good morning to you all. Friday the 14th of July. What a wonderful morning. It was brighter earlier. Some of the sun has been excluded because of a thin layer of clouds coming over. Maybe it will brighten up a little, but indeed we have a weather warning, a strong weather warning, and we are expecting rain as I predicted yesterday. Fred, you talked about lottery numbers. I was interested to think as to whether I could put numbered pieces of banana here, and maybe if the birds picked up the bananas in an order, we could get the lottery numbers that way. Here in Thailand, people rub talcum powder into the underbellies of tortoises and on the backs in order to identify numbers. People get their rabbits, their cats, their ducks, their parrots to pick numbers out of a hat. All sorts of ways to get lottery numbers. Maybe I could do it with these bananas, not sure. Anyway, have a great day, everybody.